This account can no longer use WhatsApp due to spam. If you're seeing this message on your WhatsApp screen when you open it, your account has been banned by WhatsApp and you need to fix it. Want to learn how to get back your suspended account? So gather around your device screen because you're watching Tech Zeel. My name is 𝐒𝐞𝐬𝐮𝐥 and let's do it. Guys, you really don't need to panic if your WhatsApp screen is looking like this when you are opening it. It's a temporary ban and this thing will not affect your WhatsApp account or your chats or vanish your chat data. WhatsApp ban accounts due to violation of community guidelines. Commonly, these things happen when someone sends too many messages to unknown contacts, creating too many groups or adding too many people in a broadcast at once, being reported by other users or using unauthorized third-party applications. Well, understanding these reasons can help you avoiding these bans. But nowadays, there are too many cases of getting banned by WhatsApp without even violating any community guideline or doing anything that's against the community. Without any reasons, they are getting banned. So in these cases, when you open up your WhatsApp and see this page, tap on the request for review option down below. Then you will be given a dialog box to explain yourself to the WhatsApp team. Basically, you have to tell them that you haven't violated any of the guideline and WhatsApp is really an essential part of your communication network, so lift up the ban. Well, I'll be providing you a request that will be available in the description box. Just copy it and paste it here. And one more thing, you will be reviewing your WhatsApp, so add up your WhatsApp number there. Now tap on submit your appeal. See, it's written you have submitted the appeal and the team will notify you. Also, all your chats are secured, so they will revert you. They will solve your problem within 24 hours or 24 hours of a working day. So you need to just wait and check in back again and again. And I'm sure after a while you will be seeing this interface stating this account has been restored, and also an option to verify your account. You just need to re-enter your mobile number, getting an OTP and entering it back, and then you will be back on your WhatsApp. Your chats will be secure and safe. And that's all in this video. If you find this video useful and informative, which it is actually, just give it a thumbs up, share with your friends who are facing this problem. This problem is arising nowadays really very much. And what else you have to do? Just subscribe to our channel and I'll meet you in the next one. Just keep watching Tech Zeel.